Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today I am going to be showing you what is in the Sephora Favorites Give Me More Lip box, and I will be swatching them for you. In this box, which is $42 in the States, they have a selection of lip balms and lipsticks, and you do get two full-size products, including what was the clincher for me, which was the full-size Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. So let's get into this. Here's what you get on the balm side. There is, from Milk, their Kush Lip Balm is Green Dragon. I can't imagine that it's actually colored green. Let's see. Nope. Doesn't really have a scent. It's a nice feeling balm. Okay. So I'll use that. It kind of goes without saying that all of these minis are good for travel. So I'll say that once and I won't say that again, I hope. Also, another mini that you get in here is the Fresh Sugar Rose or Rosé, and I like this one. These balms are so hydrating, and this has a slight tint to it. I don't know if it's really going to show. You can see it a little bit there. But if you're somebody who really doesn't like lipstick or even a lip gloss, but wants a little color, these Fresh Sugar, here we go, are really fantastic. They feel so good on the lips. They're moisturizing, and they also make a great Christmas present because the full-size ones are a little spendy. Also on the balm side is the Laneige Lip Balm, the lip sleeping mask. And I will say I have gone through one of the full size of these, and it is not my favorite. I actually find it to be sort of drying, which a night lip mask should not be. What I more prefer from Laneige are the lip balms that come in the squeeze tubes. Those I've had much better luck with. So this might end up in somebody's stocking at Christmas time. And last, but I fear least, is from this brand inc.redible. This is a full-size, choosy your happy, thick lip gloss. Can you see that, how slowly that bubble moves through there? So it's quite thick. It's a roller bottle, kind of old school 70s. Come on, pick it up. There it is, roller bottle. And what I have heard is it doesn't really, can you see that reflect? It doesn't come out easily. That one isn't so bad. Maybe it won't be so bad. Just the other products that I've had from this company have come in subscription boxes. It's been like the clear lipstick with a little flower in it. So it has a slightly sweet scent, but very mild. So we'll see. We'll give it a try. And then on the lipstick side, there is one from Sephora, not a surprise. And this is a, does it say? Cream Lip Stain in 96 Red Velvet. So I will go ahead and just apply that over what I've got on there. I probably shouldn't have started with red. I don't know how smart that was. We'll find out. Ooh, this does have a scent to it, kind of a strong scent. Wow. Okay, I just gotta look in the monitor. It's, well, I guess, I think maybe it is showing up true on camera. It's a pretty red, I will say that. I think it's got a blue base, which are the reds that work better on me. That scent though, kind of artificial cherry. I don't know how much I like that. And I can feel this starting to dry down even over those 2 coats of balm, which for red probably is a good thing, because red, especially on me, likes to go everywhere. So if it said lip stain though, right? Cream lip stain. If I said satin, I meant stain. So for red, I'll give that. And you know what? For holidays, and I've got a few formal functions coming up, and I do love a red lip for those. And plus, it's just getting to be the time of year where you can wear a red lip because you want to, which actually, any time of year, if you feel like wearing a red lip, you wear a red lip. All right, so let's see if we can get this off. Oh yeah, that comes off easily. All right, I got the red off, and let's move on to, I think this is from Fenty. Yes, from Fenty. Gorgeous packaging, love that. And it says that this is a mini Mademoiselle plush matte lipstick in Flamingo acid. Does that sound like it's gonna be shocking pink? I don't know about Flamingo acid. Oh, all right. Clearly I was pleasantly surprised that that is like a berry. At least that's how it looks in the tube. Well, it is much brighter on than it is in the tube. But you know, I feel like it's a good shade on my skin. Again, this feels really a blue base. So if blue-based berries and reds don't look good on you, you probably want to take a pass on this box, unless you've got somebody to gift these to. That's kind of pretty, actually. You know, I don't think that's a color I would have purchased, but getting it in this box, that's nice. Push me outside my comfort zone. Let me take this stuff off. Okay, next, this is by Too Faced. So hard to get it out of this packaging. And, all right. What color is this? It is Peach Kiss Lipstick Moisture Matte Longwear Lipstick in Sex on the Peach. All right. So there's the color. Looks like it might be a good nude. Ooh, okay. And it does have a peach scent to it. So if you're sensitive to scents, definitely don't get this box. Yeah, no, this shade on me makes me look like I am dead. So maybe that will be good for Halloween, but it's not the look I'm going for. Let's take this one off and get to why I bought the box in the first place. All right, the reason I bought it in the first place, the full-size Charlotte Tilbury. And this is Matte Revolution in Very Victoria. All right, so of course it's another nude shade. There we go. I really like how the Charlotte Tilbury formula goes on. It goes on quite, it's smooth, it's creamy, and then it dries down matte. And I think that is a much better matte shade on me than the Too Faced was, which is a good thing since this one is full size. And that is what you get in the Sephora Give Me More lip. So for $42, it says it's a $90 value. I don't believe that. The Charlotte Tilbury is what, 34, 37, 30, it's in the mid to upper 30s. So boom, right there. It's like you get the rest of it for just a couple of bucks. Also, remember, when you're making a purchase like this, that you can buy online at Sephora, because it's not like you can swatch these colors, although I guess you could go to each individual makeup line and swatch the colors. But when you're buying, really, first of all, anything online from Sephora, or especially a box set like this, check out the beauty offers. So often Sephora has deluxe trial sizes of things where if you make a $25, $35 purchase, you get a deluxe trial size. So like with this, I got a deluxe trial size of the Pat McGrath foundation. I've gotten face masks. I've gotten other mini lipsticks. It's a really great way to make your dollar go a little bit further at Sephora. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a really fantastic day.